The drive belt links the motor to the cutter head on your planer. The belt is made of a reinforced neoprene material. Over time, the belt can wear or break. A worn belt might squill or give off a burning smell. If the belt breaks, the motor will run, but the cutter head won't rotate. Replacing the belt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side covers from the planer. To remove the old damaged belt, I'll just simply cut it away from the pulleys. Now install the new belt. Installing the new belt is a little challenging because there's a very small gap between the adjustment rod and the cutter head pulley. So what you'll need to do is place about half of the belt around the upper pulley. Then twist and push the belt through the gap between the adjustment rod and the cutter head pulley. Now using a screwdriver, I'll carefully pry the belt behind the adjustment rod. I'm being as careful as I can not to damage the threads or the pulley. Now I've placed the screwdriver on the back side of the nut that holds the cutter head pulley in place, and I'm going to carefully pry the belt outward and onto the pulley. Once you have the pulley started, now you can rotate both pulleys while pushing the belt in and work it slowly onto each pulley. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the side covers. Want to make sure you get the pointer in front of the scale. And now you know how to replace the belt on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.